Hi, dear viewer, have you subscribed NPS? And want to log in NPS account? Today in this video, I shall show you how to generate password in your NPS account. For that, you need to open your Chrome browser in your laptop or in desktop. Then type the address www.cra-nsdl.com. This home page will appear before you. Here in the subscribers tab, you will see the reset password link. Click on this link, then this page will appear. You will get these two options: reset password using secret question and instant set or reset password. You need to choose instant set or reset password option. Then this page will open and you need to fill everything accordingly. At first you need to select reset IPIN via generate OTP key. Then enter your PRAN no as printed on your PRAN card. Fill your date of birth here. Then choose receive OTP via SMS. Put your desired new password. To confirm the password, you need to put it here again. Enter the captcha, and then click on the submit button. Within a few seconds, you will get the OTP in your registered mobile number. Then put the OTP correctly. After that, this login window will appear, and you need to log in using your PRAN number and the password. Isn't it so simple? Please do like the video, subscribe the channel, and share the video. Thank you.